Hi folks, my name's Ken.Quick. Welcome to Guaranty RV. It's my pleasure today to show you this Ventana 2018 4369. I'm a retired teacher and coach from Idaho. If you call in, please ask for Coach. That'll get you to me. We're going to go in and take a look at the inside of this coach and see all that it has to offer. One of the nice features that Newmar is doing is they're putting in an emergency escape door right here, equipped with a ladder. So if you do have to exit this coach, you can do it in a safe way, a safe manner. So here we've got plenty of storage. You have a safe right back over here. Large closet here. Here's an extra cushion for turning the dinette into a bed, if you choose to do that. Vanity on both sides. Double sink. Plenty of drawers down here. Look at the size of this shower here. Ginormous shower. Plenty of room in here. I will not be demonstrating this, but as we move out, this one is already equipped with a Whirlpool washer and dryer, separate stacker model. Okay, as we move into the bedroom, we've got nice king-size bed, windows on both sides. We've got nice accent lights, ceiling lights, aisle lights that light up the floor at night so you can find your way if you have to get up in the middle of the night. You've got plenty of storage on both sides here. 6 big drawers underneath. Nice Sony TV, more storage over here. As we start to move out into the living area, look at the size of these slide trays in here. These are all adjustable for different lengths in between. Okay, got yourself a residential refrigerator and freezer. Across the hall we've got central vac down here below. A half bath across. Nice little extra bathroom for your guests. Okay, as we move into the galley area, got nice slide drawers here up above. Big double sink, stainless steel sink. Nice sprayer here. Plenty of counter space back here for a coffee pot. Induction cooktop here. This is removable and you take it outside and use it. Has a cutting board on the back side of this Corian cover there. Okay, across from that we've got our dinette. I really like the fact that they put these cushions here. It allows you to sit here in the morning with your legs out, have a cup of coffee, and just relax. See the extra storage here? We've got big drawers. Plenty of room underneath the sink. Look at the length of these drawers right here. Tons of storage. As we move into the living room area, you've got a couch on this side. You've got a movable recliner, fireplace, and a pop-up TV. So when you don't want the TV, you've got more of your window. As we move, let me show you up here also. Here, we've got, because this coach is equipped with a 3-inch walls, 6-inch ceiling, 4-inch floor, ducted in the ceiling just like a home, built on 16-inch center hung wall. When your filters start to get dirty, you just take these off, rinse them off in the sink, stick them back up, keeps your air in the coach nice and clean. As we move forward up here into the cockpit, got auto leveling. You've got a 3-stage engine brake, low, medium, and high. This coach is equipped with Comfort Drive, which is electronically assisted steering. It's the greatest thing. If you haven't driven a Newmar diesel with Comfort Drive, come on in and just come and have a fun ride and you'll be hooked. It's the greatest thing that's ever happened to coaches, I think. It's just a beautiful way to drive. As we move back, we're going to take a look outside here, take a look at all of our storage, but just a well-designed cockpit. This coach has a desk here for the co-pilot. Easy to use, just moves right back in there just like that. Nice tile floor in this coach. Take one more shot of that floor. That's a beautiful floor. All right, as we go outside, coach is equipped. Got an awning over the door, awnings down the side, alloy wheels. This coach is equipped with backup camera and side cameras. As we move back, you can see we've got an outside TV right here. Beautiful paint job on this coach. There's your implements for your central vac. Here's the slide tray. We can add another slide tray on this side if you like. Half tray here. There's your Dirt Devil central vac. As we move to the back of the coach, there's a big water tank right here. But they've done something, they put some pegboard there so you can hang some tools. Okay, this coach has a steerable tag axle. Turns around on a dime. This thing will turn to 12 degrees. Helps you make a tighter radius. Back here you've got your chassis batteries. This coach is equipped with a 400 Cummins. It's got your receiver here and tow. There's your backup camera, ladder, more storage on this side. Here you can see the outside of that emergency escape door. There's where your DEF fluid goes. As you move forward here, here's your clean out bay. You got filters, you got your hose on a reel, you've got outside shower, you've got sewage rinse for the black tank. There's your 50 amp cord, a little difficult to see back in there. And then right here is your Oasis heat system, nice even heat, hot water, plenty of hot water, great system. Oasis burns really clean. You see the storage areas as we move forward. Here we have our fuses and electronics. It's also the release for the generator. Generator's up front here in this coach. If you have any questions, and I know you do, please give me a call. I'm Ken.Quick, retired teacher and coach, 208-250-8625. Please give me a call anytime.